If you're thinking about coming to Thailand to train Muay Thai, this is what it's actually like. I spent 6 weeks training here at Superpro Samui on the island of Koh Samui. I'm 39 and coming into it, I wasn't sure what to expect, whether I'd keep up or even enjoy it. But sometimes you want to try something new or even just test yourself to see how much you can actually handle. Getting here is pretty straightforward. You can fly into Koh Samui directly or connect through Bangkok. And the airport is only about 10 to 15 minutes from the gym. So once you land, you're pretty much there. Muay Thai itself has a long history in Thailand. It's developed as a form of combat and has become a larger part of Thai culture. What you're learning here is still very close to that original style. The camp runs on a routine. Morning training starts around 8 a.m. Then there's a second session later in the day, along with other classes like strength training, conditioning, BJJ, MMA, and recovery sessions like ice baths. Most people here train twice a day. Now at first, I was a bit nervous walking in. You see people who look experienced, trainers pushing hard, and you don't really know where you fit. But that feeling doesn't last long. Everyone is here for the same reason, and the environment is surprisingly welcoming. Here, there were just as many women as men training. People in their 20s, people in their 40s, complete beginners and experienced fighters. It's a mix, but it works. The trainers here play a big part in that. They're hands-on, they push you, but they also make you feel comfortable pretty quickly. And by the end of my time here, I'd really warmed up to them, and that made a big difference. Training itself can be a little bit repetitive. Kicks, punches, pad work, footwork, conditioning, you're doing the same movements again and again, but with small corrections each time. But after a few days, it starts to build. You're tired, your body's sore, but slowly you settle into a routine. A lot of people come here thinking they'll try it for a day or two. And yes, you can, but you really don't get much from it that quickly. Most people here stay at least 2 weeks, and that's when things really start to click. And you begin to understand what you're doing and why you're doing it. Now, if you do stay longer like I did, you start to see real changes. Your fitness improves, your technique sharpens, and you get way more comfortable with the training. Most people here stay on camp itself. You can organize accommodation through them or stay nearby, but having everything in one place really makes it easier. Your whole day ends up revolving around training. Now, when it comes to food, there are plenty of cheap local options nearby. Or you can also ask the place to organize your meals. Now, one thing you'll notice here is how serious some people take it. If you want, you can actually train towards a fight. There are fighters at the gym, and on the weekends, people head down to the ring to watch them compete. Here you have a mix of people. Some people are here just to try it, and others are here to push themselves or take it even further. Outside of training, you're still in Koh Samui. The beach is close, everything's easy to get around, and life outside the gym is pretty relaxed. But the training here is demanding. You're tired most days, your body is sore, and you're being pushed constantly. But that's just part of the process. So, who is this for? If you've never done anything like this before, you can still come here and get into it. That was me. But if you actually want to improve or challenge yourself physically, you'll need to stay longer and commit to the routine. But after a few weeks, you'll start to understand why people come here. It's the structure, the consistency, and the people around you. So if you're thinking about coming to Koh Samui to train Muay Thai, this is what you can expect.